So this one's gonna be on how to be able to download Java for Windows, and it's gonna be the 64-bit version. So to be able to get to it, go to java.com and then download, and then go to manual JSP. So to be able to get to that, actually just go to java.com. Okay, and then after that click on Java download. Okay, and then want to go ahead and where here at the bottom says Windows 64-bit users. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then in here we can go to where it says manual page. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then here what you want to do in the Windows, go ahead and click on the third one where it says Windows Offline 64-bit. Otherwise it's going to download the 32-bit. So let's go ahead and open up the file once we've downloaded. Click on yes. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and install it. And so that's it. Now we have Java, the 64-bit. By the way, you can actually have both versions installed. So I have the 32-bit and 64-bit. So let's go ahead and type in Java and configure Java. Where's that? Okay, so as you see, I have both the x60, the 64-bit, and then the x86, which is a 32-bit. So you can have both of them installed on your system. Since some applications that are 32-bit will not be able to function with the 64-bit, so even if your computer system is 64-bit, you can still install the x86. So your other applications that are not 64-bit can work with it. But anyways, that's how you install the actual 64-bit. And in here it actually gives you the path to the executable and the location and then the product and the platform. Okay, and so that's it. There's nothing really that we need to mess with in here. If you are advanced, you can actually go through some of these and see what you want to change. However, I just leave whatever it is by default. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're able to install the Java 64-bit on Windows 10. So that's it for now. Bye.